Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Confirm you have a GA4 property and that your site is tagged. This is foundational. Next, decide what counts as a conversion, an event, a form completion, or a purchase, because setup depends on that choice. If you use Google Tag Manager, open the container now, otherwise locate your G-tag. JS snippet. Once done, create or identify the event name you'll track so you can map it into analytics. Now you implement the detailed middle steps. Create the event and pass useful parameters. In Google Tag Manager, build a tag that fires on the user action and populate event name, value, and currency if you use G-tag. JS, call G-tag, event your event. Make sure triggers are precise to avoid noise. Once configured, open GA4 Debug View or GTM Preview and perform the action to confirm the event arrives with correct parameters and values. Finish by turning the validated event into a conversion and verifying results. In GA4, go to Events, locate your event, and toggle Mark as Conversion. This tells analytics to count it. Then allow the reporting window and review conversion totals in acquisition or engagement reports to ensure expected numbers. If counts are wrong, troubleshoot by checking that tags fired, event names match exactly, consent or cookie settings aren't blocking tracking, and no filters are excluding traffic. Fix the source and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.